Hello everyone and welcome to Tech with NK. In this video, I'm going to propose a solution to the exercise Emojize from CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. I'm going to show you how I went about solving this exercise myself. However, my aim is just to provide a few tips or ideas that you could build upon while attempting the exercise later on by yourself. That said, let's analyze the exercise together and see what's expected of us. So in this exercise, we are required to create a Python file, we call it emojize.py, and implement a program that prompts the user for a string in English and then outputs the emojized version of the string, converting any quotes or aliases in corresponding emoji. We've been advised to use the Python package called emoji, which we can get from this link and download using this line of code here, that's a pip install emoji, because it's going to make the exercise a lot more easier. Looking at this link for Python packages, we see that to install the package emoji, all we need to do is to run a simple pip command, pip install emoji, and this package has two main functions or two main methods, emojize and demojize, and the names actually speak for themselves. So emojize is a method that is used to convert the user's input into an emoji, and demojize is a method that is used to convert the user's input from an emoji to the actual words. We've been told that the user could enter aliases and not the actual emoji. So instead of using this line of code here, we're going to use this other line of code where we'll set the language parameter to alias. I think the explanation is clear at this point and the exercise is pretty straightforward. So I'll just open up VS Code in my computer and we're going to do this together. In VS Code, before we go about creating the folder Emojize and creating the Python file, what we're going to do first is to install the package emoji. We're going to use the pip command to install, like we saw on the website, that's pip install emoji. But before we do that, we're going to make sure that we're using the latest version of pip, and so we're going to do a pip upgrade, then we're going to install emoji. And to do this, I'll just paste the line of code I'd written before, that's python-m pip install --upgrade pip. This is to make sure that pip is actually installed in the right environment. If I run this, we'll see that our pip has actually been upgraded from 22.3.1 to 24.0. And with our pip updated to the right version, we're going to run pip install emoji. And our package has been successfully installed. So with this package installed, we'll go ahead to create the folder and the file emojize. Or create a new folder with the make dir command, or say make dir emojize, or rather emojize. And my folder has been created for me, or cd to emojize. And I'll create the Python file emojize.py. And as we can see, the file has been created for us. I'll start by saving this file, or close this terminal to give us more space to work, and we're just going to implement our code to solve this exercise. There are three things that we need to do to solve this exercise. The first thing is to import the package emoji. The second thing is to get the input from the user. And the third thing is to print the user's input, converting any emoji written as text into the actual image. So I'll start by importing the module. I'll say import emoji. Next, I'm going to get input from the user, or use a variable to save that input, or use the input function, and I'm going to pass a string to it, or say input. Give some space for the user to enter his desired input. Then I'm going to print the user's input, converting it in the right format. I'm going to use an F string to do this. Output. At this level, we're going to make use of the module emoji. I'm going to use curly braces, and I'll say emoji.emojize. And what are we trying to emojize? The user's text, or the user's input rather, and we're going to use the language parameter. We're going to set it to alias. And this is all we need to do to solve this exercise. I'm going to save this, open my terminal once more, or clear this, and we're going to test the program together. We're going to run Python emoji, or emojize rather. We've been required to enter input. I'm just going to say thank you for watching. Then I'm going to put a thumbs up. Oh, I forgot the second colon. I'm going to run this again, or just copy this text to avoid typing it again. Control V. Thank you for watching, thumbs up, and the second colon. And I run this, we have thank you for watching with a thumbs up. And as we see, our program works just fine. Thank you for following up to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, support the channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. I look forward to seeing you in my upcoming videos. That said, have a good day.